In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a blog post on your website. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along and have your post live in just a few minutes. If you're already inside your website editor or dashboard, you're in the right place to get started. First, go to the Pages section and select your blog page. This is where all of your blog content is managed, and opening the correct page makes sure you're adding your post in the right place. Once you're there, you should see the blog panel, which is where your existing posts are listed and where you can create a new one. Next, look to the top right of the blog panel and click the plus icon. This opens the option to create a brand new blog post. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. The layout can vary a little depending on your setup, but the goal is the same. Open a new post draft so you can begin building your content. Now it's time to create the post itself. Start by writing your post title. Make it clear and specific so readers immediately understand what the article is about. After that, add your text blocks to build the main content of the post. This is where you'll write your introduction, key points, and any supporting information you want readers to see. You can also add image blocks to make the post more visually engaging. Images help break up long sections of text and can make the article easier to read. As you add content, try to keep the layout clean and organized so the final post feels polished and professional. Before publishing, open the post settings and set your categories and tags. This step is important because it helps organize your blog and makes it easier for visitors to find related content. Categories are usually broader topics, while tags are more specific keywords connected to the post. Taking a moment to label your content properly can improve navigation and keep your blog well structured as it grows. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make the post live right away. If you're not ready for it to go public yet, choose Schedule instead. Scheduling is useful if you want the post to appear at a specific date or time, especially if you're planning content in advance. And that's it. You've created your blog post, added your content, organized it with categories and tags, and either published it or scheduled it for later.